Disclaimer people, I shot this video before I knew there was going to be coronavirus lockdowns. So, bear with me. I know Easter's going to be a little bit different this year, but it doesn't matter. That's why I still wanted to release this video, to share some Easter joy, and it doesn't mean you can't do these fun things at home. Let's go! Guys, it's that time of year again. Easter time, one of my favourite holidays. A time filled with family, friends, feasts and Easter eggs. And today, I'm going to show you some stunning Easter tips and tricks to throw a gorgeous Easter party. First things first, let's make hot cross bun and butter puddings in little jars. You'll need 6 hot cross buns, some orange zest, half a cup of castor sugar, 150 ml of milk, 150 ml of cream, 4 egg yolks, some butter, and finally, some Consol jars. Cut your hot cross buns in half. Mix your orange zest with your butter. Spread it onto your buns. I love a thing with orange zest. Oh, chocolate with orange. Kill me now. Grease a muffin tin with a bit of butter and pop in your buns. Press it in nicely. Now let's make our little custard mixture. Separate your egg yolks. Add your sugar and we'll whisk. Where's Marianne when I need her? Add your milk and your cream. Mix until a little bit frothy. I'm ladling over my mixture. There's it. Wait for it to settle in for about 30 minutes. Then pop it in the oven and bake at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. Ready! Now let's assemble our layers. In with a hot cross bunneke. Now for a layer of custard. Pop in another hot cross bun. Now for a layer of whipped cream. And now for the last hot cross bunneke. On you go. I've made these little cake toppers by popping speckled eggs and mini marshmallows onto florist's wire. A little ruffier bow. There's it. Hot cross bun puddings for all. Let's decorate some candy eggs. Didn't even break. Stick some stickers onto your eggs. Today I'm using stars. Little sterretjies. And now I'm going to paint them with some powder food colouring. I'm using a little shot glass to keep it steady. Bit of blue, bit of green. Now for a little bit of gold. Keep going. Time to peel the stars. Galaxy eggs. There's it. Oh, this is gonna look so excellent on my Easter table. Let's make Easter egg hot chocolate. Pop in a chocolate egg and pour over some hot milk. Mix it until it's all melted together and top with some mini marshmallows. Cheers! Oh, comforting and delicious. Ah, who needs a boyfriend? Not me. Now let's make some DIY Easter gifts. First things first, make some bunny ears out of pipe cleaners. Pop on a bit of glue and stick them on the lid. Then decorate with flowers and pompoms. S'mores, anyone? Fill your jars with tennis biscuits and chocolate marshmallows. Perfect for making yummy s'mores on the braai. Pop on your lids. There's it. A stunning Easter gift for family or friends. And finally, the piece of resistance. Use some press stick to stick the smaller jar into the bigger jar and secure it. Pop the lid back on the smaller jar. Let's start with some jelly beans. Let's go with some pink mallows. Now for the green ones. Down you go, my darlings. The blueies, I'm actually going to do like a design with it. And some purplies. Grape. Remove the lid. And now arrange some flowers. And finally, hide some Easter eggs. Let's pop it in situ. And there you have it, the most exquisite Easter party of your dreams. DIY because anybody can. Who says Easter can't be fun in a lockdown? Happy Easter, guys, from my home to yours. I hope it is still bursting with creativity and fun. Stay home and stay safe. Also, PS, a disclaimer, I've already eaten all of those Easter eggs. Every last one in that jar. Hashtag fatten the curve. Special thanks to my BFFs, Consol Glass, for sponsoring the stunning Easter episode. I love you guys. Marianne, if you're watching, let's have a video call later. We can watch Tiger King or something together.